Okay, so you know how most manga contests work, right? You draw something, you submit it, and then you just wait and hope something happens. But Kadokawa Corporation is doing something a bit different right now. This isn't just a contest anymore.
Oh no!
It's more like a whole system to find and develop new manga artists globally. And the interesting part is it's actually made up of 3 connected parts. Part 1. Online. The first, there's an online part. It's basically the entry point. You can submit your manga whenever you want. No deadlines. No, I missed it, I will try next year.
Yes!
And from what they say, actually Japanese editors review your work. Not automated, not random, real editors.
Wow!
There is also a chance to get feedback. It's not guaranteed every time, but even having that possibility is kind of big deal. Because normally you only get that kind of feedback if you are already in Japan or some kind of connection. So this part is basically you send your work, it gets seen, maybe you get the feedback, and you improve.
何してんの?
Part 2, OnSITE. Then there is an OnSITE part. It's Kadokawa OnSITE. This is the face-to-face version of everything.
Wow!
And when I say face-to-face, I literally mean you sit down with the editor and go through your manga together page by page. They will point out things like panel flow, pacing, readability, character expressions. So basically the same kind of feedback mangaka get during real editor meetings in Japan. Now the important part is that this isn't limited to Japan anymore.
Yes!
Kodakawa is bringing this to international events. For example, Anime Expo in Los Angeles, July 2 to July 5, 2026. And they also mention plans for events in places like New York and other major conventions. One important thing though, spots are limited and usually reservation-based. It feels like K-pop group's World Tour edition. If you know, you know.
Oh wow!
And part 3, contest. Kadokawa World Manga Contest. This is where you submit a one-shot between 16 and 60 pages. There's a cash prize and all that, but honestly, the money isn't even the main point here. This is more like a stage where you prove your level.
Wow!
Since I have talked a lot about manga competition in my other videos, I won't go too deep into here. You can check out.
Yes!
These 3 parts are actually connected. You can start with the online system, get your work seen, maybe get feedback, then go on-site event and actually talk to editors, and then enter the contest with a stronger version of your work.
Wow!
And the real talk, that said, just because it's open to everyone doesn't mean it's easy. Editors still selective and the competition is still strong. Not every submission gets feedback, not everyone gets on-site slot. But if you already have a solid one-shot or you are working on the way, like me, this is honestly a real good system to try.
Bye!
Bye.